Hello guys, I'm Chocolate Monkey. Nobody shall attack Chocolate Monkey because Chocolate Monkey is the best. This camera angle isn't the best though. But I'm Chocolate Monkey. Nobody can attack Chocolate Monkey. Monkey Gang. Monkey Gang. Monkey Gang. Wait, what? That's definitely not, no man. Time to go back to Tokyo, but when we're going to Tokyo, I'll keep grinding because I'm still not at level 100. I promised you guys that I would get to level 100. I'm keeping that promise, but the promise isn't going to be done until a while, a very long while. So hit that subscribe button because it's taken ages just to get to level 100. Chocolate Monkey, just grab me a chocolate. It's Chocolate Factory here. Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory. Oh my lord. Oh my god. I'm being attacked by 2021. I'm just a chocolate monkey. I'm in this. Why must you attack Chocolate Monkey? You're not a part of the monkey gang. You are the disgrace to the monkey gang community. He's charging up his. It's time to attack. Time to die. No taking it back now. You're going to die. You attacked me. I won't let that slide. No. Still can't think of the words. What is the word? Bird. Bird is the word. That is the word. Bird. That's what you get for attacking me. I think that guy possibly might have been a subscriber or just a guy that wanted to make friends with Chocolate Monkey. Who doesn't want to make friends with Chocolate Monkey? My axe is glowing blue too. Should be glowing brown like the Chocolate Monkey tribe. I'm the best tribe to ever exist. And no other tribe's better, other than the radioactive tribe. I'm just making up stuff right now. There's no such thing called radioactive and chocolate tribes, monkey tribes. But I'm gonna go with the end go to Tokyo. Remember guys, do not attack Chocolate Monkey. It comes very big consequences if you attack. Oh no, Kamako he's there. That's the guy who keeps killing me. He's nearly maxed out. Why is that guy nearly maxing? Why is that guy maxing out Kamako? That's the most unfunniest one to play. And I'm playing as the best one, Chocolate Monkey. I'm nearly past level 32. I know guys, I should be a higher level, but you can't. You need breaks. You can't just. You get bored of just playing as the same kaiju all the time. What's this? Oh, imagine if that was brown like Chocolate Moon. He's back. He's attacking me again. Bro. I hate the coaches, they always attack. So this guy is targeting me. He's targeting me, a part of the Chocolate Monkey tribe. There's only one member so far. So I'm the only member. Other people can join, but you just need to put a short saying, "Can I join the monkey tribe?" And I'll comment down below in the short if I see the short, because it depends if I see it or not, because I can't see. It depends if it's in the depths of YouTube or in the highest part of YouTube. I think I might be in the depths of YouTube, sadly. Definitely not no PewDiePie though, or no Mr. Beast, or no Markiplier, no Jacksepticeye, no Kenshin. I'm subscribed. Subscribe to the Kenshin. I am the Chocolate Monkey. You dare attack me. I'm going to break everybody here. It's too Godzilla's fine. Oh, he's nearly dead. That 2014 thing. Yeah, 2014 fighting. Wait, what the fuck? 14 fighting 2021. You shall die. Where did it gain back up? Kill him. Kill the gold 1954 Gojo. Chocolate monkeys are the best. You can't do anything against the prime reveal. You are a disgrace to the Kaiju universe. You are not a part of the chocolate monkey gang. You shall die. Fuck. No, I don't want to die. I'm too young to die. For Sparta. Put chocolate monkey in the chat. Subscribe.